Hey everyone, so I recently got a GoPro 7 Black and took some awesome video out the Grand Canyon, came home, and I saw this once I plugged it in. Yep, no files to import. Kind of freaked out, thought, oh my gosh, I lost everything. This is a Windows 10 machine I plugged into. I really have no idea why this happened, but if this does happen, don't freak out. Check a few things first of all. It's a simple workaround. Now, I did try this in my MacBook, and I did not have this problem. And also with my old Hero 3, I did not have this problem. So what you do is keep it plugged in, and in Windows, just navigate over to the File Explorer, go to this PC, and then you will see there your GoPro 7 Black listed. Click on that, and this is just like any iPhone or digital camera. You click in, and you keep on clicking, right? It's just a file system. And eventually you will get to something to look familiar. This little folder says DCM. That's where all your pictures are. You click in there, keep on clicking. You got to go a couple folders, what have you, and then boom, there's all my videos and pictures. So just a little workaround. Again, I don't know why it did that, but nonetheless, once I'm here, I can simply copy. What I do is just going to go do select all. And you know, Windows, there's like 5,000 ways to copy and paste and select all. So eventually here, I'm just going to select all my photos and videos, excuse me. I'm going to copy them because I just kind of wanted to keep a copy on the GoPro. Might put them somewhere else. And then I'm just going to create a new folder and paste them in, and all is good. All right, so eventually here, I'm gonna be able to grab all the files. You know, you could select individual ones if you want. I'm gonna just right click and hit copy. You could do cut also if you want to move them. And then just, you know, find a new folder on your local laptop machine, paste them in, and you're ready to go, and that's it. Again, I don't really know why. You know, if something's not updated, I thought it was all up to date. I'm not too sure why it's doing that, but don't freak out. Just you know, be patient. They're on there, and you know, go from there. And hopefully, you know, whatever the little problem is will be fixed, because it's pretty inconvenient. It's much nicer just to plug in. Like I said, I took that same GoPro, I put it on a MacBook, had no problems. It just imported. It found them all and it imported them instantly. Same thing with my older GoPro 3. I put it on the Windows 10 box and it had no problem finding it. So I'm not too sure what was going on there, but you can see it takes a while. I had tons and tons of videos, so it's going to take a while here, but that's it. Hope that helps, and hope nobody lost any awesome GoPro footage. And until next time, we'll see you.